Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are actually going to talk about should you trade Bitcoin or should you hodl? Okay, and we're going to answer some questions and we're going to go over some charts. So, welcome to my live stream. If you're new to my channel, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I trade full time, and I only look at the charts. Crypto, the futures market. I don't care what market it is. I only look at the charts. The charts will tell you what's going on, and the news is lagging. Okay, so hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about that. How I'm able to work from home, trade full time. Today, we're going to just basically look over some charts. So, of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. Um, and if for you guys that's watching that replay, you can hit settings, speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the time. So let's get this party started. Let me pop out this chat real quick, and we go from there. All right, I'm gonna try to make this a quick live stream. Um, you know, so let's go to CoinMarketCap first. And right now we're looking at BTC dominance 55. Okay. And the overall market cap is at 275 billion, right? So let's see if we can hit that 300 billion mark. We'll see. Bitcoin, well, pretty much the whole cryptocurrencies, it's really not doing anything today. So we just have to wait to see what Bitcoin wants to do. Okay. Bitcoin SV is actually up 49%. That's what's up. So right now we're looking at a market that is just going straight up, right? And it broke out of this consolidation right here at this level, and now it seems like they want to continue to push it up. And like I told you guys before, in my last, or actually on my last live stream, I do expect these guys to push up the market higher. Maybe when we get around 9,095, around that area, even maybe 10K, we might see a pullback. It's a possibility they might not make it to 10K. It's a possibility, but it would be better if they make it to 10K because they can actually use that as a weapon to make a lot of people just FOMO in and buy a whole bunch of coins. But just be careful around that 93 all the way to 10,000 level. But right now the buyers are still buying up this market. We go to the 4-hour real quick, and basically they are holding up this level nicely. So yeah, I definitely expect continuation. All right. But also I expect some type of resistance soon. Might be next month or so. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. Let's look at these other charts real quick, and that's about it. So let me see what's going on here. Litecoin looks like it wants to go up one more time easily. Let me see. Bitcoin Cash, same thing. We talked about this before. Bitcoin Cash can easily go to around 580, 590, even maybe the 600s. What's going on with this SV coin? Let me see. So yes, so remember guys, and honestly guys, we're going to talk about this, but right now it's just easy money right now. Close your eyes and buy. Okay, I talked about this before when we pulled back. We was around here. I told you guys I'm looking for this to break for a new high, and I told you guys we can easily go back to this high right here. Okay, nice little pop, easy money, bang, bang, bang. Right? XRP, let's see what XRP is doing. Okay, XRP definitely most likely it's going to make a new high. That's easy money right there too. And if it's going to make a new high, most likely going to break that 50 cent level and possibility go to either around 60 cents or even this high right here, which is around, what is this, around the 80 cent mark. That's a possibility it can go there. But they don't have to go that high. They can literally go to, let me see, maybe this swing high right here, which is around around like 60 cents level. So around here. What else? We looked at Litecoin, right? BNB. I remember people was talking about BNB. Yeah, that definitely has probably another pop to this upside. All right. But yeah, the market is looking real good right now. So, let's go to see who's in the chat room, and then we can basically get this party started. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to all my students. Shout out to everybody that's coming in the room. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Let me see here. J.A., Dom, Travis, Ahmed. What's going on, guys? Philip, Robert, Crypto, Slice of Life, Golden Arm, man. What's going on, bro? So if you guys have any questions, type it in. Philip said, I always enjoy to take all your things, man. Looking to take some profits. Yes, man. That's the name of the game, bro. Hit these likes, guys. Hit the like button. The name of the game is take profits, all right? You have to. So we're going to talk about that later. Okay? So let's go to, let me give you guys a round of applause. Appreciate you guys tuning in. All right. So let's basically take some questions. If you guys have any questions, type the questions in, guys. But shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Let's see if I forgot a chart. Let's see what's going on with Classic. This looks like we're gonna make another high too. All right. Don't know how far this can go, but definitely probably hit that. It could hit that $10 mark maybe. 88. Let's see what 88 is doing. Oh, this looks like it's gonna break out of this right here. So most likely this can easily go to where we at right now. Hold on. Where we at right now? We are at, for some reason I don't know my thing is talking about. I think we at I don't know why this thing looks so weird. We at 9, so it could definitely go to probably 14. Tron, let's look at Tron. Yeah, remember we were saying Tron can easily break out, and that's what I'm expecting, Tron to break out. Now, if Tron breaks out, how far Tron can go, I don't know, man. Tron is like one of those snails that take forever. Tron can hit, of course, 4 cents, but can it go to 6 cents? That's the question, It's one of these snails that's taking forever. But it has that potential to go up much higher. All right, guys. So basically, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know who I am, like I said, I am a professional day trader, Big Ben. Basically, I trade the financial markets. If you have any questions, type it in. Okay, I've been doing this pretty much going on 12 years this summer. Okay, going on 12 years. So type in your questions. Now, let's see if I see any questions here. Crypto slice of life, man. Shout out to you, man. Joshua, hey Ben, what's your thoughts on Bitcoin Gold? What's this? What's the symbol on that one? What's the symbol on the Bitcoin Gold? I don't know the symbol on that one. Let me see if I find it. BTG. Yeah, I mean, basically, we can go up higher. Maybe to the swing high right here. That's the next resistance zone right here. So maybe to here. So it has room to go up even more. So let's go back to these questions here. Do you expect the altcoins to go higher when Bitcoin crashes? No, not really. Bitcoin, I mean, the altcoins is going up right now. So, you know, the altcoins is lagging. And like I said, it's so many things going on right now that is iffy. Okay, that is iffy to make me believe that this is like the bottom. Okay, I know some of you guys think this is the bottom. I know your favorite YouTuber is telling you this is the bottom, blah blah blah, whatever the case is. But you know, a lot of red flags in the air right now. Number one, basically Bitcoin is going straight up without pulling back. Eventually, I do expect some type of pullback. Number two, the dominance is still high, real high. And also a lot of altcoins are lagging, so we'll see. We'll see how these altcoins will perform if Bitcoin starts to pull back a lot. Philip said, when the market finally does hit resistance reverse, how much of the pullback do you expect, and will it continue to make new highs? Well, I don't know if it will continue to make new highs. If someone tells you they know that these guys are full of crap, basically, I don't know how much it will pull back. But all I know is basically by looking at the chart, okay, we didn't pull back to this breakout right here. All right, we didn't pull back to this breakout, and basically it's still going up. So I do expect a major drop. How much, I don't know. I expect to at least back to one of these breakouts. Okay. And once we pull back, that's going to give us some type of feel on if this is a real move or what. Okay. Are we going to find support and continue to go back up, or are we just going to go back to the breakout and never come back? Big Ben, don't bear markets exist to kill all the scams coins. So how come Bitcoin is making new highs and possible hit to acquire? Well, basically, right now the market, in my opinion, is still in the bear market. All right, so it doesn't matter if it goes back to 12K or not. We can still always go back down. So Matt said the answer to the hold or trade. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that. But thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Hopefully, I can make this live stream real quick. Definitely appreciate you guys. So the topic of the day, guys, is should you trade Bitcoin or HODL? Should you trade Bitcoin or HODL? Okay. And my answer is you can do both. Right? You can do both, whatever you want. If you want to HODL, go ahead. But in my opinion, right, I wouldn't just only HODL. I would have another strategy on the side, which is trading Bitcoin, right? Because you can benefit from cash flow. Most people do not know how to generate extra income. Okay? They don't know how to do that. They rely on a 9-to-5 for cash flow. If they figure out a way to generate more income, they don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. And that's trading is something that can allow you to help you generate that cash flow. See, most people don't know how to make money in a recession. Right? They don't. And that's what trading is going to help you do. Trading is going to help you generate cash flow during a recession. So when the market was going down, everybody was getting nervous. Everybody was, scared. Doing everything, buying dips, open up, just basically taking the last penny and throwing it at the market, losing money on top of money on top of money. Instead of throwing your money at a market that's going down, you can actually learn how to trade the market and make money regardless. Okay? While you have your little stash that you want to HODL, okay, if you want to do that. But at the same time, you have to, if you want to play with the big dogs, and if you want to be independent, and you want to understand how the rich guys are making money, you're going to have to learn how to trade the market, because it will allow you to generate cash flow while everybody is suffering. This will separate you from all the guys that's in the crypto market right now. I'm not going to say all, but most. They don't know how to make money during a recession. This is why they always read the news to you, tell you to be patient, hold on, blah, 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 whatever the case is. You have to learn how to take profit. So, because most of you guys, right, let's say that you make a lot of money during the bull market. That doesn't mean anything. You know why? Because you can literally end up losing all that money. Why? Because your main strategy is basically based on I'm buying something and I'm hoping that it will go up. Okay? Don't you know, I think it was an article, I think back in 2009. They were saying that around 60% of I think athletes go broke within 2 years of retirement. I'm quite sure the numbers are going down now because they're definitely getting a little smarter. Okay. But we talking about guys that's actually that had millions of dollars. Why these guys are going broke? And then 70% of lottery, the lotto winners, the people that win the lotto, right? These guys end up broke. Why? And we talking about millions of dollars. Why is that? Because these guys do not have financial education. They didn't build their bank account with a skill that allowed them to make money consistently. Okay, it was a big chunk of money. So most of you guys, even if you get money, you're gonna lose it because you don't have a strategy right now that allows you to make consistent cash flow. Your strategy is based on hope. Okay? And we all know that nothing is guaranteed, 100% guaranteed. We don't, Bitcoin and all these coins don't have to continue to go up all the time. I know your favorite YouTuber is basically calling out crazy numbers like $1 million Bitcoin. I see videos like that. Okay, Bitcoin to $1 million. I see it. Trust me. I see it. And your guys get hyped up. You fall in love with that. The reason why you fall in love with that because you don't have financial education. You banking everything on that. Meanwhile, if things go south, what strategy you have in place that will allow you to make money while things are going south? You don't have no strategy. Okay? So my thing is learn how to trade because it's going to allow you to basically take advantage if the market is going up or down. See, most people think they can only make money by hodling when the market is going up. Guys, listen, even when the market is going up in the bull market, you can make more money if you know how to trade the market. Okay, so let's say that this was the bull market, right? Let's say, just for example, this is a bull market. We're gonna go up. Let's say we're gonna go up to 100K or something like that. Don't you know I can make more money than the average hodler out here? Okay. See, you can hodl, and you can have a strategy that takes advantage of these moves and take profits and keep on reinvesting your profits. But no, you don't want to learn that because you're too busy looking at news or too busy doing something that doesn't make any sense. All right? So when you trade, guys, when you decide to trade, you have to have a plan when to get in and when to get out. Okay, so you can't guess. So when you decide to trade, right, you have to have a plan, guys, and stick to your plan. You have to know ahead of time when to get out and when to get in. I see most traders, they get in and they don't know when they're gonna get out. Okay? Or they get in and they don't know where they're gonna put their stop loss at. They don't have some people don't even have a stop loss. They have a mental stop loss. How do I know? Because people will say, well, I got in a move and it moved against me a little bit and I got scared, so I got out. So that tells me if you got scared and you got out, that means you had no stop loss. Your stop loss was a mental stop loss. Okay? Stick to your plan. If your stop loss is at 7,600, okay, leave it there. Don't move it. If your plan tells you to take a trade right now, you take a trade right now. Forget about what you think about the wells, or what you think about, or what you think if bad news is going to come out. Forget about that. Forget about what you think. You don't know nothing. You're not smarter than the market. So if your brain is clouding you right now, okay, you're not ready. You don't have a solid plan yet. Don't overthink when you enter in your trades. You're not smarter than the market. Who cares what the market is doing? Have your stop loss in place, and that's it. Okay? This is why it's very important to get knowledge, because when you get knowledge, you're not going to be as scared. You're not going to be, scared of the market, okay? Because you understand what the market is going to do. And knowledge is not reading the news, guys. Knowledge is not reading, I'm going to read the news. That's not knowledge. Okay? Learn how to read the charts. Learn how to read the charts, because the charts will literally show you how to take advantage of these moves. Right? Bitcoin right now is basically just going up, straight up. Most likely we're going to have probably either one more stop or a couple more stops, and then most likely we're going to hit resistance soon. But some of you guys don't have the right knowledge. Guys, you're going to need knowledge. You need more knowledge right now. Because the knowledge that you have right now is not capable of making you wealthy. How do I know that? Because your bank account is still at the same, the same number or even less. And you're still struggling right now. So that's how I know that you don't have the right information. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions, type it in. I'm going to make this live stream quick. It's about to hit that 30-minute mark. Let me see if I see any questions, and we're going to go from there. So Tech 2 Guru said hold, and he's not listening to me. Okay, he's not listening to me. I said you can hold if all you want. So why do you keep on saying hold? That's how you know people like him these guys will never succeed. I told you guys. All right, 60% of athletes go broke after 2 years. Right? 70% of people that win the lotto, they end up broke. Why? Because they don't have financial education. The money came to them, real easy. So you have people that is going to make money in the crypto market, and they're going to lose it all because they think the crypto market is going to go up forever, right? They never think it's going to go down or maybe go sideways for a long time. They just think it's going to go up forever. And these are guys that's going to lose all their money. Okay? He's not even listening to what I'm just trying to say. I said you can hold all you want. Okay? But you should have another strategy on the side that takes advantage of the swings in the market so you can get the cash flow or have cash flow coming in. Golden Arm said the Moon Boys are really going to get hit. Yeah, man. It is what it is, bro. I'm just trying to hear the help. I'm trying to help people out. Like I said, I do this full time, and it is what it is. Andre said, Columbus said, what was your intake on the hold and trade? Well, I just spoke about it. You can look at, listen at the replay, but basically I told you guys you can do both. You can hold and trade, okay? But make sure that you get knowledge on how to trade, because trading will help you generate cash flow, okay? When the market is not always going to go up. So when you have these bad times and when we have a recession and the market is in a bear market, learn how to make money during that bear market, okay? Because you don't know how long that bear market is going to last. So learn how to make money. It's not always going to be this easy. Okay? If you want to learn this stuff, just check out one of my courses right here. This course right here will help you out. How do I know that? Because it's helping out my students out. It's helping my students out right now. This course right here, I just gave you the link, is the day trading course that I have for you guys that help you day trade the futures market, right? And also it comes with the crypto course too. So the crypto course comes with that day trading course, but the day trading course is more about day trading the futures market. We day trade crude oil, gold, Nasdaq, Dow, the Russell. Okay, it will show you how to, it'll help you make daily and weekly income. That's what I'm all about, guys. I mean, all about, because I told you guys since day one, my channel is about help you guys get out the matrix. It help you guys become, your own boss. This is what the channel is about. It's not about cryptocurrencies, and it's not about anything. It's helping you guys understand that there's ways out here you can make money, different opportunities out here, and you guys need to take advantage of it. I actually, like I said, I had a live trading session today. Actually, it was going on for a month now, going on close to a month, where I'm trading live in front of my students. So if you want to be a part of that, you can join, or you could get the course, and you would get all the recordings where I was basically trading live in front of my students. We actually trade live today. It was a good session. Made money in front of my students. A lot of my students made money. Actually, shout to Golden On. Golden On actually is one of my students right now. I actually have a screenshot, okay, of him. Well, he was up $800 and something today. This is actually earlier, so he was up $400, but today he was up I think $800. Okay, and that's one of my students. I have other students that was making a lot of money today too. Okay, Rob, shout out to Rob. I believe Rob made 2,500 today. Ralph, I think he made $400 and something today. He went live this week. But shout out to Golden Arm. He's been killing it lately. He's been killing it. This is all his profits right here. This is different days. So all this is profits. So guys, I want you to understand, because some of you guys don't understand about knowledge. Okay? Once you understand that knowledge is an investment, and it can pay you over and over and over. Some of you guys just don't understand, bro. This is one of my students, Golden Arm. He's actually on his live stream right now. Okay? He only paid, whatever he paid for the course, he got it back and more. Actually, one day, you see this day right here, he made 860. Let me zoom in. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? I don't know if I can zoom in a little bit. So one day he paid for this course right here, right? But look at all these days, right? I think this is probably just for this month alone, right? And these are all different days where he made money. And that's what knowledge can give you. Once you invest in yourself, you have to understand it's something that can pay you over and over and over and over and over. Okay, knowledge, no one can take the knowledge from you. That's why I love knowledge. They can't take it from you guys. So for you guys that's, talking about HODL this and HODL that and don't understand what's really going on, I told you guys, you can HODL all you want. I'm not, saying don't HODL. If you want to HODL, fine. But you should also have another strategy, bro, on the side, because we don't know if Bitcoin is going to go up, or we can pull back. We can easily pull right back and wipe out all your dreams. We go all the way right back down and wipe out all your dreams. And you're going to be here crying. Okay? Meanwhile, you got people like us making money. But I don't want to make this live stream too long. We already hit 34 minutes. Let me see if I see one more question, and then we're going to go from there. I need more one. You said you need more one-on-one, please. You need one-on-one. Did you get the course, DeAndre? Did you get the course already? if you didn't get the course, get the course, okay? And then we can talk about, you know, whatever one-on-one or whatever the case is. But if you didn't get the course yet, you said I'm a truck driver, so I make money, but I'm putting in Bitcoin. Yeah, so if you put your money in Bitcoin, that's not a strategy. That's just, you know, you're just buying the market. I'm talking about trading the market, being smart about it, having a strategy. No matter if you're swing trading or day trading, you know, the futures. Let me see here. What's going on, Tony? You said, "Sup, Ben? It's been a while. Still interested in and listen to you. Respect, man. Shout out to you, Tony." You said where to buy. Here's the link right here, DeAndre. DeAndre, I don't know if you're listening. I just posted a link right here. You see what it says, Gum Road right here. I just post that link right now in the chat room. Okay, DeAndre. I don't play no games, man. I trade live in front of my students. That's the difference between me and these other so-called gurus that claim they know what they're talking about, right? Most of these crypto YouTubers will tell you, hey, man, read the news and that's it. I'm all about how can I make money now? That's what I specialize in. How can I make money now? Most of you guys are buying and hoping and waiting. Meanwhile, we can do anything. We can pull back sharp. We can have a sharp pullback. Okay? You guys could wait another couple of years before things start moving, while you got guys like us making money. Anyway, I'm about to get out of here. It's about to be over 30 minutes. I don't want to make it too long. I hope you guys have a great week. So far is good for us. Guys, make sure you continue to study, continue to improve as a person, as a trader, as an individual, as whatever the case is. All right, continue. If you have any questions, you can email me. Shout out to all my students. Appreciate you guys. Swazzer been killing it too. Okay, Swazzer is my a student too. Shout out to Travis. Who else? Dom. What's going on, guys? So let me get out of here, man. Shout out to everybody. I love all my subscribers. Hit that like button. Hit that like button if you are not. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and hit that like button, guys. Hit those likes. Hit those likes for right now, because before I get off, because you know it helped the video out a little bit, just a little bit. All right, so let me see here. I don't think I see any more decent questions because I'm about to get out of here. All right, so thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see all you guys. You said hit that Hadouken one more time. Let me see if I can find it. Street Fighter. Let me see that Hadouken. I'll see you guys in the Discord room, guys. Hadouken! Peace out, guys.